Hello everyone. Today I'm going to talk about the Notebook LLM. You can go to the Play Store and download it. As I've already talked about the web version of the Notebook LLM, what it actually does, it actually takes your source, your PDF, your book, anything, and make podcast out of it. You can simply ask the question. It will be like you are asking the questions from the book actually. Okay, so I'm going to open it. As you see, there are plenty of the podcasts I have already made. So you can click here to create new. So you can see there's a history of here. There are some shared. These are the ones that somebody has shared with me, and there are some titles, and here are the downloaded one if you have downloaded any. So going into the creating new. So for example, if I want to create one, I will click here on the PDF or website if I got the website, or if you got any YouTube video, you can also put your link here. If you got any text, you can copy it. Okay, so I'm going for the PDF. Firstly, I'm for example, if I'm clicking here in this document, I can select multiple as well. So it will take few seconds. If I want to add another source, I can go to another as well. Okay, so once it is uploaded, then I can chat with it, ask any question. For example, summarize summarize it for me. It is going to summarize it. uh, it can also uh, answer any question regarding this text. The special thing is that it will take answer you according to your document. For example, if something is written that is wrong in your document, if it is biased, it will answer you the wrong answer. Okay, it won't go on internet or go into the data of its own to answer you the question. It will only answer you from the book. If it is wrong, it will give you the wrong answer. If it is written right on your material, it will give you the right answer. Okay, so you can also make the audio overviews here. Here you can click it to generate audio overview. It will take few minutes. Let's see, I have already made one, so you can go here and click it here. You can
Okay,
just
let's
click.
dive in. We're doing what we usually do here at the deep dive, taking a stack of sources, or, well, this time it's key bits from a specific guide, and pulling out those really essential nuggets for you.
That's right. Think of it as, your shortcut to understanding what's key in this particular material.
Okay, there are plenty of options. You can go 10 seconds forward, backward. You can speed it to 2x. You can also share it with someone. So you can also make it public, so other people can also uh, get access to it. You can also download it. You can go forward.
We're often expected around 6 to 8 months. Crawling is another big one. You typically see that between 7 and 10 months. And then the really big one, walking independently, often marked down for around 12 to 15 months.
It is very good if you don't want to study everything and read everything out. It will make the study very interesting for you. I hope you will try it, and you won't regret it. So going back, there's also interactive beta version where you can just raise a question from these hosts and ask any question from them. Okay, for example.
Okay, let's dive in.
Oh, hey, welcome. What's up?
Okay, can you please tell me what is the vaccine?
That's a great question.
Yeah, let's unpack that a little.
Based on what we're looking at here, a vaccine in this context is something given to either children or pregnant women.
Right, to protect against specific diseases.
Exactly. For children, it's about building immunity against things outlined in that Saudi Arabian schedule.
And for pregnant women, it's also about protecting them and passing on some of that protection to the baby.
So it's a way of preventing willness using these specifically recommended schedules.
Okay, so with that in mind, let's dive in.
We're doing what we usually do here at the deep dive.
Taking key bits from this Vaccines and Milestones XML guide.
Oh yeah, let's hear it.
Can you please tell me the guidelines about the pregnant woman? Uh, what type of vaccine she usually gets when she gets pregnant?
That's a really important question.
Yeah, you're right to focus on that part.
According to this guide, for pregnant women in Saudi Arabia.
Which is the specific context here.
Mentions necessary vaccines.
And it does give us a prime example.
Yes, it specifically talks about the Tdap vaccine.
Okay, let's unpack this. Tdap.
It's often recommended between weeks 27 and 36 of pregnancy.
That's a specific window.
Right, and the reason behind it is really interesting.
Tell me more.
So, if you want to study, that's very good. It will convert it to the podcast, and it will describe the whole lesson for you. Anything you any source you have uploaded, it will tell you about it. You can also raise the question. So I think it is very brilliant for the student, and yes, that's it. So thank you so much. Kindly, if you like this, subscribe my YouTube channel.